In this video, I'll show you how to fix Netflix games not showing on your TV. First, make sure your Netflix app is updated to the latest version. Open your device's App Store, search for Netflix, and install any available updates. Next, restart your TV or streaming device. A quick restart can refresh the app and resolve temporary glitches that may prevent games from appearing. If the issue continues, sign out of your Netflix account and then sign back in. This can refresh your account data and restore missing content. You should also check that your Netflix profile is eligible for games. Netflix games are not available on kids' profiles, so switch to a standard profile if you're currently using a kid's profile. Another thing to keep in mind is that Netflix games are primarily designed for mobile devices. If you're looking for a specific game on your TV and can't find it, it may not be supported on TV yet. Finally, make sure your device is connected to the internet and that Netflix services are working properly. And that's how you can fix Netflix games not showing on your TV. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.